Hello, all of the Shiba Army lovers and Shiba Coin supporters and hodlers. Today we will talk about the Shiba Coin in this fast video review. And actually, I will start from 1 week. There's no sense to look at 1 month's chart because we don't have that much data. That's like I told you several times, one of the reasons why I do not invest a lot in such coins like Shiba, because if first of all it's a meme coin, uh, but actually Shiba has some potential because they do develop this technology, unlike Dogecoin. And the thing that I don't like is because it's a brand new coin. Well, you can see that it started from the May of 17 of 2021, and it does not provide a lot of data for me to analyze to know how it's going to behave in different market conditions. But on the 1 week time frame, we can definitely start noticing this area, which is extremely important because I bet you most of the volume traded here. And this is the reason why it bounced from this area several times here, and the price just got stuck over here, and you can see this huge rejection week on the 1 week time frame. So that area is really important. Also notice some other indicators. Stochastic RSI gave a crossover and the price is going up. Also the RSI didn't go into the oversold territory, but still moving upwards. I bet whenever the RSI will break this level, there will be a super powerful signal that most of the traders will consider and they will go into the long position. If you are a Shiba believer, then definitely this is a good time for you to start accumulating. Also, let's go ahead and use the Fibonacci retracement as always from the swing low to the swing high. And notice again how perfectly this area aligns with the platinum pocket, which has a high probability to become the bottom for this huge correction. Also notice that correction can go like ABC, and that can be only, this can be A, B, and C, or this all can be A, then it'll go for B and C. But no matter if you're a Shiba believer, that's a good opportunity for you to get in. All right, stream indicator is trading below the zero line. Also, let's go ahead and switch into a 1 day time frame. Over here, what we can see, first there was a buy signal on this band indicator that I programmed and I use a lot for trading. If you miss that signal, here's the stop loss. Never been triggered yet, so if you like that strategy, probably that's a good time for you to start adding, since the signal was here, then it went lower but didn't hit the stop loss. So that would be probably a good time to start investing. But as for me, I would rather wait for the stochastic RSI to give a crossover and start moving to the upper side. And it will be better if that signal will happen somewhere in this area in the oversold territory. Also notice on the regular RSI, I wish that this high will get broken, and then it'll give me another signal of a confirmation that the price is more likely reversed and it will go higher. And another important signal for me is in-stream trades indicator and this line. Whenever it will cross the zero line, this will be another confirmation. You can actually start adding a little bit more after each signal. For example, some people would like to enter like a 20% of the amount they want to invest now, then wait for the confirmation for either one. For example, stochastic RSI to cross over to add another 20%, then whenever RSI will break that higher high, add another like 20%, and instrument trades indicator whenever it'll give a confirmation, add another. It all depends on your strategy, your risk management. Also, let's go ahead and check some lower time frames. For example, here on the 6 hour time frame, what do we see? There was a long signal, stop loss never been triggered. Also notice how the price is trying to go into the upper side. You see how many times it got up here into the oversold territory. It's just trying, it's pushing its limits to the high. And I hope it will. Already here on the stream trades indicator, you can see that the price went higher, significantly higher from the zero line, unlike it did in the previous several months. And now I think it's gonna go for another trial. Okay, now let's go into a smaller time frame, 3 hours. What do we see here? Well, no wonder here was a divergence. You can definitely see it on the in-stream trades indicator. That was the reason why actually drop down, another correction happened. You see that here, and the divergence on the price. Uh, Let me show it to you. There it goes. Higher highs here, higher lows here, divergence, and bam, the price went down. And I bet you it came down to a very important level. Yeah, you can see that 0382 fib level. That's where the price came and it bounced. If it'll go lower, then the next target will be 50% retracement. If it'll go even lower than that, then the most probable will be a golden pocket, which happens to be here. If you are planning to start accumulating Shiba coin, you can sure enter now and then open some limit orders here and here. And don't forget about the platinum pocket here. And I would probably put a stop loss somewhere around this area. But that's just me, my thoughts, whatever I'm thinking about Shiba coin. I might actually add a little bit. I think I hold a tiny portion of Shiba coin in my portfolio. I gotta check it. That's not for sure. Maybe I will add a little bit more. Who knows? I need to spend a little bit more time analyzing this chart. But I hope that you found this information interesting. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to make these videos. Sorry, these altcoin videos and Bitcoin and Ethereum videos every day for you. So if you want to be notified every time the video comes out, don't forget to subscribe. And plus, that gives me an extra motivation when I see like new subscribers and new comments and new likes coming after the video. It gives me an extra motivation to go ahead and make some more videos. And if you are interested, also write in the comments. Maybe you want me to tell you some crypto news because I do monitor a lot of Twitter accounts and news accounts for cryptocurrencies. And if you want me to go ahead with the news, let me know about it. And most important, as always, guys, have a safe and profitable trading. Talk to you later. Bye bye.